iPhone 11 users experiencing touchscreen issues can now get a free screen replacement from Apple. The company has acknowledged that a small number of iPhone 11 displays may stop responding to touch due to an issue with the display module. Apple notes that the iPhone 11 modules manufactured between November 2019 and May 2020 may face these touchscreen issues, and the company is offering free service to eligible customers. The company has put up a support page on its website to help affected customers find out if they are eligible for a replacement. Apple has introduced an iPhone 11 display module replacement program for touch issues that will provide free service to iPhone 11 owners who have a glitchy touchscreen. iPhone 11 models manufactured between November 2019 and May 2020 may be affected by this issue, and if it applies to your phone, head over to Apple's support page where you will have an enter your phone's serial number to check. Apple says this issue is due to a problem with the display module. To find your serial number, head to Settings, General, About. This program is only valid for iPhone 11 users whose phones were manufactured between the aforementioned range. If you are eligible for the free service, you will need to either find an Apple-authorized service provider, make an appointment at an Apple retail store, or get in touch with Apple for a mail-in service via the Apple Repair Center. Apple recommends that you take a backup of your data before getting the touchscreen issue fixed. If your display is cracked, you may have to get that repaired before the touchscreen issue is fixed. The company says that it might limit the repair program to the original region of purchase and that this program will not extend the standard warranty coverage of the iPhone 11. For iPhone 11 users who had been experiencing touchscreen issues before the program rolled out and paid to get it fixed, will be eligible for a refund and can get in touch with Apple for it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to channel for more content like this.